Hello everyone, this is Riddhi Tavre from Gossipfunda. Let us see how to use safety check on your iPhone. In settings, scroll down and tap privacy and security. Then scroll down and tap safety check. At any point of the process you need to quickly conceal what you are doing, you can tap on the quick exit in the upper right corner. This will save any changes you have made and bring you immediately back to the home screen, and no one will be able to locate where your last scene was. If your personal safety is at risk, you can tap emergency reset to immediately remove access for all the people and apps. Or when you want to explore what you are sharing in more detail, you can tap manage sharing and access to review and remove access on a person or information. You can also review app access as well. Now let us look at manage sharing and access. So in manage sharing and access, there are three phases. First is to review the people. Then after this step, you can continue and go to the next step. The second step is about app access, that is which app security you want to share or stop the access of all. Now at any point if you feel like going back to your original phone status, then press quick exit or else continue with the step 3. Step 3 is to see whether the phone is at a trusted phone number or all the devices linked are shown below. Thank you for watching the video. Hope that it has enlightened you with some cool tips and tricks. Do like, share and subscribe to Gossipfunda. Do not forget to put your query in the comment section below. For more such amazing contents, do visit gossipfunda.com, link in the description.